Hello? This is the DT department at Hendon School. Our teacher isn't here right now. How can I help?
Oh, hi. This is Mariah from the gallery. I was actually calling to check in with your Year 9 designers. Since you're there, maybe you can help.
Sure. What's up?
I heard that most of you have finished your mood boards and found some trending themes for young people and interesting visual elements to express them. But before you start making the clocks, we need to see your design ideas first.
Oh, do you mean sketches?
Exactly. But not just any sketch. We need isometric drawings of your clocks. Isometric projection helps us visualize how your clocks will look inside our exhibition space.
Wait, what's the difference between isometric and oblique projection again?
Great question. Oblique projection is often used to show the details of a product's front view, like the face of your clock. Isometric projection shows the top, left, and right sides equally, making the object look more realistic and proportional in 3D. Since we're displaying your clocks inside a gallery, we need an isometric drawing to understand how your design fits into the exhibition space.
I see. So, what do we need to remember when drawing an isometric projection?
The isometric grid is made of equilateral triangles, each with three 60 degrees angles. The lower line of these triangles is always at 30 degrees to the horizontal line.
Got it. And we still need to draw the oblique version, right?
Yes, the oblique view is best for showing front details, but we need both versions, oblique and isometric, to fully understand your design.
All right, I'll let everyone know. Thanks for the call, Mariah.
No problem. Looking forward to seeing your amazing designs.